In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to watch football matches live, mobile and computer legally. If you want smooth, reliable, and legal live football. The key is using official broadcasters or licensed streaming services. Three popular options are DAZN, Airtel X Stream Play, and FanCode. DAZN is a premier platform focused on live sports, including football. Airtel X Stream Play offers access to live matches through partnerships with apps like Sony Live. And FanCode is a major legal hub for football, with coverage that includes La Liga, the AFC Champions League, and the DFB Pokal. Availability and match rights can vary by country, so always check what's included in your region before you subscribe. Let's start on mobile. Head to the Play Store or App Store and download the DAZN, FanCode, or Airtel Xstream app. Pick the service that carries the leagues and tournaments you are most interested in. Once installed, open the app and sign in, or create an account if you are new. Choose a subscription plan that specifically includes live sports, confirm the billing details, and complete the purchase. Most platforms offer monthly or annual options, and some include trial periods. So take a moment to compare what works best for you. Before you hit play, make sure your connection is solid. A stable Wi-Fi network or strong mobile data signal is essential for HD streaming. If you are on Wi-Fi, being closer to your router or using a 5G HZ band can help reduce buffering. On mobile data, check your data balance and consider lowering the quality if you are trying to conserve usage. Closing background apps and keeping your device updated can also improve performance. Watching on a computer is just as straightforward. Open your browser and go directly to the official site of the service you are using, such as dazn.com or fancode.com. Log in with your account credentials. Then navigate to the sports or football section. There you will find live and upcoming matches organized by league or competition. If a match has already kicked off, look for the live indicator and start streaming. For the best experience, update your browser, disable any extensions that might block video playback. And, if possible, connect via Ethernet or a strong Wi-Fi network for steady HD quality. A quick recap: use licensed platforms like DAZN, Airtel Xstream Play, or FanCode. Install the official apps on mobile, subscribe to a plan with live sports, and ensure a fast, stable connection. On a computer, go to the broadcaster's official websites, log in, and head to the football section to find live matches. Enjoy the game, and thanks for watching.